area, what's the play?
Today we're talking about 2017. What are your plans?
Life, they say, is not easy at all. Na make I dey always encourage or tell people say in this life wey you dey, if you get anything wey you style take resemble dream, if you get anything wey na dream e be or e relate to dream, pursue am. You hear wetin I talk? Pursue am. Whether you have the resources o, you no get the resources o, just pursue am. Because you see this life, the number of people, na the secret I wan tell you now, the number of people wey go discourage you na im plenty pass one wey go encourage you. Even though when go encourage you, na im go surprise you pass, because na the person wey you no even expect na im go encourage you. So for this life, dream, pursue am, but not forget me o. When you don reach where you dey go, you understand? Remember me. So thank you for joining me. My name na Peter Ose, and many people dey call me Peter Pan. And you are also watching Peter Pan TV. The thing for there abi, and so it dey be. So una know say as we dey grow, they dey tell us say even till tomorrow, they still dey tell us say charity na house na im dey begin. You understand? Charity begins at home, na so they dey talk. Na im make before you go dey look for sister Charity or Charity or Charity for outside, you go first check your house first. Make you make sure say you get am before you dey go look for am for outside. You understand? You know say this is a Charity wey dey talk now. She too expensive o. So you go need to check your house first before you go outside go dey look for am. So my people, in case una no know, una need to know now, because they say person wey e no know and e know say e no know and e no wan know, that person no go ever know at all. So as e be now, una know say na maybe the only son of Edo and Akoko Edo Igara. On how we dey do our things be say na to encourage people out there, especially during this coronavirus wey be say things no easy o. Everything don dagbaru, like everything don scatter, everything don spoil, yawa don gas, the whole place don marama, e don turn upside down. People dey vex, eye dey chook. You understand? So na the situation wey we dey now. So stay there, we dey come back after this short break. Make I give una the tori wey I get for today. I'll come back to you. Yes, we want just say congratulations to Nigeria current midfielder and Leicester City midfielder Wilfred Ndidi. The guy just put to a bouncing baby girl, and we just feel like, congratulating him. And talking of this Ndidi guy, me personally, I not too like him, but because of what just happened now, I don't love him. I know say if this guy they play against Arsenal, he be like say na Champions League he dey play. You know they 1 year. You tell him slow down. You know the year. Congratulations, my brother. You be man. You understand? Mona join us to congratulate him. Yeah, he deserves some. Especially this period where things just dey hard. Easy. Once again, congratulations, my brother. That's so it be. Yes, so Alhaji Atiku. Welcome to the talk show. Now this guy, he na my friend though. You understand? Based on him say like to the settings. So himself, you understand, we come match based on two of us like to the settings. You understand? He don't come out again. He say the night when he don't sell that year, he say he never do. Now you don't turn advisor. Now know all these former leaders when out their job be that they'll begin their advice when they not get job again. He say make this present administration make they set their presidential jet so that if anywhere they want go, they feel they use canoe. I say, really? He said yes. He said make they sell them. He not stop there. He said the 27 billion naira wey House of Assembly don budget for the 2020 budget. He said make they remove am. You understand? Make they take fix Nigeria economy. I say shoo. Now you dey talk this one. Una know say these people, all of them are the same. See, once they don't rule, anybody wey don hold political office from 1999 till date, all of them are criminal. Not listen to them. As a talker now, you think na to favor you, we Nigeria citizens abi. Ina. Na himself he dey do am for. If he enter there now, he go do worse. Not be hear me and you dey wey APC come tell us say PDP don kill us for 16 years. Say make we put them. When we put them for the first 3 years, they not kill us past the 16 years wey me and you don face. All of them are the same. Don't be deceived. Mr. Advisor, he not get work. I'm talking about the president that be the current administration. I not just get wetin I want tell now. Because wetin this guy talk so it makes sense. You understand? But because una dey useless, I no fit talk say I no just get wetin I just want to tell una first. Una matter na another day now I go come to una. Because the one dey rule Nigeria dey go, e just be like say una no get conscience. Una no get conscience. Atiku. Mr. Advisor. Come up with my show, may I go the next this thing. What you talk here. So Kasala don burst so I dey tell you, say ground don dey shake, and everybody don dey vex. Since I grow come reach now, me no know wetin they call 1 million gang. Now all this a year with the year before. I don't know say 1 million gang e dey. I come dey ask myself, say, so these people dey. Nnamdi Kanu come, say make dem share Nigeria, we not see them. Sowore even come from their own backyard, come talk say make we demand for good governance through revolution. Not be say the kind of revolution sef, not be to topple government to just to make them sit up. We not see them. I no even know say this say 1 million gang, dem sabi write. So tey they call the write letter, go give presidency or President Muhammadu Buhari. Say if you no fix Nigeria now, say they go visit Aso Rock. I say, Not be waiting we dey look for be that. You want visit Aso Rock. You no need write letter go meet am. Now waiting we want be that. Now una be the kind lazy youth wey Buhari dey refer to. 1 million gang. Una even reach 1 million. Yet people wey come protest with Sowore, they not even reach 100. Una strong o. You dey see Nigeria, you dey see Nigeria youth. Not be all o. Not be all. 1 million gang. Na dey look for who wan come out go protest. They no dey see una. Now una call the right letter. Una come out here. Any day una serious, una come back to me. I go talk to una. What is this? Let them go sleep. So my people, I don't say I don't fit tell now say me na from Etuno, Igara or Akoko Edo Igara. See their language, e not easy o. If I tell you one now, you go run as in e not easy. Why I take grow rich like this? It's difficult to even compose song with the language. I can't get one brother. I want playing song here and I make me thought this guy I don't know him. You understand? But I hope say you go contact me, boss. I don't know him, but I just want to read down here. This guy he try. Language wey me no fit take sing. This boy he use am. Take rap. He even sing a rap on top. I say shoo. My own language yet to know. If una hear this language, oh, Ogbonna so not thick. I dey tell you, if you hear language, I beg, boss. Knock them small. Make them hear what they try. Tell them.
Oh no shomoshi me onofune. Oh no shomoshi me onofune. Oh no shomoshi me onofune. Me kon no shomoshi me onofune. Taka mayo shomoshida Tony mente ke sire ami Ina rabana ine shonana ne Daf ke mi ono nya yowai Simi taka basi yo shomoshi Anaba mekina no shide Mbanya de Bakurabo Mbaja she Yo shomosha me Yede Uluwa Yede Kurabo Maso gaya dai Mako avotara Maso gaya dai Mako avotara Ino mbono me Mako avotara Hey, olorobere oni Jesu me yo. Olorobere oni Jesu me yo. Olorobere oni Jesu me yo. Eshebe bane bonosi me metere o. Arebe bane bonosi me metere o. Era yo wa bonosi me metere o. Era ono na ne bezo da ye mi yo. Era ono na ne bezi ane mako avotara.
Thank you for watching that short clip. You know, these things are not, they're that easy. I'll be honest with you. You understand? And I just want to make some few remedy, recommendation, some few things clear. So I beg. I need support from friends, from people. I don't know if they support me, encouragement, and through subscription. You understand? Una need to help me. Abona brother. Una die.
Area, what's it?
Today we're talking about 2017. What are your plans?